Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. In today's video, I'm going to be digressing a little bit. I will be showing you how to make this lovely winter cap. This is quite different from the usual one you know, and if you look at it very well, you can see ribbon attached to it. So if you'd like to learn how I make this beautiful winter cap, kindly watch this video till the end, and don't forget to give us thumbs up if you like this video. Without wasting time, let's get started. Here are the things we're going to be needing for this project. I have this wool here. It's not the normal wool, okay? It's like it has fur in the body. It wants to look like how will I say it now? It wants to look like velvet. I don't know if you can see the texture of the wool or how it is, okay, but you can use normal wool, okay. As it is now, this is winter here and I need something like this. So, and I'm also going to be using this ribbon to embellish it. So if you like to learn how to knit, then stay with me. So the first thing to do, normally if I remove the wool from the back, at times it can tangle, so most times I like picking it from the middle. So you put your hand at this middle place, and here you see the side that is more tight, this side is more free, so it means from here I can get the edge of the other tip, okay. So I'll put my hand inside and just pull it out like so. Okay, at times it comes like this. At times when you put your hand, you will just find just the tip. Okay, here is the tip now. This is the tip I was looking for. So this is the other tip, but this is the outer tip, so I'm not going to use it. I'm going to just hide it somewhere so it will not tangle. So I'm going to continue with this particular one. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is to tie it, okay, just a knot like this. Okay, I knotted it and I didn't allow it to come out, okay. So this loop here is where I'm going to start my knitting from. Just try to tight it more. I'll hold it, then try to pick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have just 6. So what I'm going to do now, I'll go to the beginning, okay, where I started, then try to put my crochet pin inside, then bring it out. Sorry. Okay, now that it's out like this, so what I'm going to do is to do double crochet. Okay, double crochet. So I'll knit 2 chains like this, then pick and pass it to the middle. With this rough edge that is here, I'm going to make sure I knit it with it. It's going to be inside. I'm picking it like so. So I continue my double crochet. Okay, as time goes, I'm going to explain each one to you. Double crochet means you take it like this, pass it inside. When you are coming out, you pick again. You have 3 in the line. You pick again and remove 2. You have 2 left. Pick again and remove the last 2. Okay, I hope you are getting what I'm doing. Pick again, pass it to the middle, pick it and come out, pick and remove 2, pick and remove 2, pick again, pass it to the middle, bring it out, pick and remove 2, pick and remove 2. Are you getting it? So I'm just going to continue like that till I go round the circle. So here I have gotten to the end. Okay, I've gotten to the last place there. You can see it's round. So what I'm going to do now is to pick here. I will not take. I will just pick it, then bring it out so that I can close up that place. Okay, like this. Then I'll do another 2 chains like this. Then pick again. So this time around, I'm not going to be picking it like this. I'm going to pick it like I'm passing it through inside. Normally it's supposed to be like this, no, but now I'm passing it through inside so that it can be on top. Okay, when I do that, I drop 1 chain, repeat the same thing, pick, still double crochet and leave 1 chain. The excess of leaving 1 chain is so that it will not be too tight. Okay, it can expand a little bit, especially at the down part like this. It can accommodate enough, so that's why we're dropping 1 chain. Okay, I know some of you may be used to knitting and some no, but gradually you're going to get it. Knitting is a very interesting and creative art. I love it a lot. So you can see I've gotten to the end again. So to take the beginning now, I'm now going to pick this beginning again and start knitting. But this time around, I'm going to put 2 double crochet inside. Okay, 2 double crochet inside and drop 1 chain. This 1 chain I'm dropping, I'm not going to be dropping it everywhere. Okay, I'm just going to drop in some parts and not in some parts. Maybe I'll skip 1 and drop in the other one. So I'm putting 2 double crochets inside one of the crochets. Okay, you can see it's double, 2 2. Okay, so here I am. Okay, now I have gotten to the place where I was taking 2 2, so I'm going to continue with the double crochet and knitting it 2 times over it. So I'll continue till I get to a reasonable length, or the length that I want for the whole cap. Remember, we are making a cap, so I'm just going to continue it like this. You can see how far I have gone. Okay, still the same way, nothing different from what I've taught you before. So I just continue with my 2 2 double crochet 2 times, double crochet 2 times. I hope you are loving it. This is how it's going to be on the outer part, and this side is going to be on the inner part. So you are free to use whichever side you like. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to continue making it like that till I achieve up to 13 lines. Okay, this is from 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to achieve that 13 lines, then get back to us. So here's what I have. I knitted 13 steps already. Okay, so what I'm going to do, this is the beginning where I started. I'm going to just join it here. I'm not going to pick. Okay, so I'm just going to take a single crochet and end it, bring it out like this. Excuse me. Okay, so now that I am done like this, I'm going to knit just 1 chain, pick and put it inside there and bring it out. Okay, go in again, come out and pick. I'm not going to pick. Okay, I'm just going to put it in there come out and remove the 2, go in there, come out and remove the 2. This place is a little bit big, so I'm going to be adding 2 single crochet there, half crochet there. Okay, this one I'm doing now is half crochet, so I'm just going to continue like that till I go round. So you can see the one I'm making half crochet. You see how close and tight it is. Okay, so that's going to be the edge. So I did it 3 times. So this is the 3rd time, 4th time now. Okay, so I'm just going to continue till I get to the end, then show you the next step. So this is the last place. I'm just going to do a slip stitch. Slip stitch, just pass it in, bring it out and bring it out. So now I don't want to tie it here. I don't want it to show here. So I'm taking it to the inside. I will just pick the side of it, then do a slip stitch. So I can now tie it here. Here's what we have, okay? So I'm going to take my ribbon now and try to use it to embellish it. I'm going to start from this place. Okay, so just to pass it in from the first layer, it goes in, pull this one down, as in I will alternate it, keep alternating it. And this one is going down, this is coming up. You can see the ribbon, right? So I'm just going to continue. Our cap is ready, knitted winter cap. You can use it for this season as well. You can see it's red color. And can you see the ribbon I added to it? Is it not looking nice? I hope you have enjoyed this video and I hope you have also learned something today. I just tried to add some ribbons here. It's looking nice, right? So you can make something like this for yourself during the season. Make other colors that you can sell as well. It looks so nice and it's very simple to make. Please, if you like this video, as usual, give it a big thumbs up. And please, if you have not subscribed to our channel yet, do well to subscribe. It will not cost you anything. And stay tuned for more videos till I come your way again next time. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.